So let's move on to the next question, guys. In this question, we are given there is a set X, which is 17, 22, 20, 14, 14, 9, 10X. And it is given that if we increase the highest and the lowest price by 2, so if we increase the highest one and the lowest one by 2, then which all would change? Will the range change? Will the mean change? Will the median change? Right? Okay. Now, firstly, let's arrange the X in ascending order. That is the first thing which we do in any question. So if we arrange this in ascending order, right? So yeah, one second. So let's move on to the next question, guys. In this question, we are given a set X which consists of 17, 22, 20, 14, 14, 9, 10. And we are said that if we increase the highest value and the lowest value by 2, then which of the following would change, right? So in these type of questions, what we do is that firstly, we will arrange X in ascending order, right? So what will be X? X is equals to 9, 10, 14, 14, 17, 20, 22. 17, 20, 22. I hope this is clear. 9, 10, 14, 14, 17, 20, 22. Now we are said that we increase the highest and the lowest value by 2. So the lowest one is this. So we add 2 in this, and the highest one is this. We add 2 in this, right? Okay. So the new set becomes what? This becomes 11, right? But we have to arrange in ascending order. So 10 will come first. So this will become 10, 11, 14, 14, 17, 20, 22 plus 2, 24. I hope this should be absolutely clear, right? Now tell me this thing. In this, what will be the range? The range will be highest minus lowest. So highest is 22, lowest is 9, right? So 22 minus 9, which is how much? 13, right? Tell me, this is the range. In this case, the range will be how much? Highest minus lowest. So highest is 40, 24, and lowest is what? 10. So the range is 14, right? I hope this is clear. Now tell me, in this case, what will be the median? So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 numbers in both, right? So whenever there are odd numbers, the median is n plus 1 by 2th term. So there are 7, so 7 plus 1 upon 2, which is the 4th term. So what is the 4th term in this? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 14. So 14 is the median, right? And what is the 4th term in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 14. So in both cases, the median is same, which is 14. I hope this should be clear. So in both cases, median remains the same. So we can say what would change? The range would change, yes, because the range was 13. Now the range is 14. The range is changed. The range is changing. Median, no, because we just said that in both cases the median is 14. For the first case also the median is 14. For the second case also the median is 14. Now let's calculate mean, right? So what will be the mean? Mean will be 9 plus 10 plus 14 plus 14 plus 17 plus 20 plus 22 upon 7, right? And in this case, it will be 10 plus 11 plus 14 plus 14 plus 17 plus 20 plus 24 upon 7. So if you see in both the cases, the mean is different, right? Because if you do the sum will be different. The denominator is same, which is 7. But if you do the sum will be different in this case, and the sum will be different in this case, right? So that means the mean will be different for both the cases. So what would change? The mean will also change. So you have A and B as your answer, that the range is changing, the mean is changing, the median remains the same. I hope this should be pretty clear. So for example, the mean in this will be what? 10 plus 11 plus 14 plus 14 plus 17 plus 20 plus 24 upon 7, right? And similarly in this, it will be this. And you don't have to calculate even this much. You can directly say that because we increased the, the value by 2, so the lowest one was increased by 2, the highest one was increased by 2. So eventually the sum over here will be 4 more than the sum over here, right? I hope this should be pretty chill. So basically the difference in mean will be, for example, if the mean was m, right? So the mean of this will be what? M plus 4 upon 7. I hope you understand this, because what we added was 4, because we added the number 2 two times, one to the highest and one to the lowest. So we added 2 over here once and over here once. So total 4 was added, right? And total the denominator was 7. So 4 upon 7. But what I mean is that the mean in both the cases will be different. So your answer is A and B, and the median remains constant. I hope this should be clear.